This is Tim Wilson, armed only with a copy of OBS and built-in laptop microphone. This is another video for Nomad Funnelhacker. We're looking at a blank canvas in ClickFunnels editor, and I'm going to use this blank canvas to demonstrate something. All of us are used to some sort of chat tool, ChatGPT, Claude 2, or something else these days. But did you know that ClickFunnels has its own built-in AI chat tool called Napoleon? Now, technically it's in beta, but it's pretty far along. It's been out for like a year. And it's very handy to use because it's built into the editor. Let's go ahead and build out a basic above the fold section. We're going to go ahead and create a section in a row here. We're going to create a headline. Then we will create another row, make it a 2-column row. We'll make it an image on the left and a set of bullet points on the right, or bullet list element rather. So let's go ahead and work with this. So if we select our headline, we have our toolbar come up with our usual tools. To the right, we have the gear, which will open up our settings, but we also have this button that says AI, and that's what we're going to click on. That's going to bring up Napoleon beta. Now, if you are working with a new project and you're not using the same avatar as before, you want to go ahead and choose this reset chat spinning arrow thing, reset everything. And now you're back to 0. We're going to go ahead and type a prompt in here, and it's not going to be the greatest prompt ever. This is just for illustrating things. Okay, and I did type this in. You can also speak to Napoleon, and we're going to go ahead and expand this a bit. And this is what I wrote. I'm a fitness coach who helps people lose weight with diet exercise plans based on the keto diet. Write a headline to attract new clients who want to lose weight and are interested in keto diet. Not the greatest prompt ever, but it will do. So we're going to press on go. And we will see that it gives us a headline. Now we'll just go ahead and go with this headline. We can ask it to produce multiple headlines, but we're just trying to keep everything simple here. Now we have 2 choices here. We can copy to clipboard, or we can send it directly to the app. Let's go ahead and copy clipboard for this one. We're going to go here to our headline. And there you can see we now have our headline there. We're not going to do anything else. This is just to show how the Napoleon AI works. And so we're not going to do any styling or anything like that. Now let's come to our bullet list. I'm going to skip over the image for now because it has a little different method to it. So for our bullet list, we are going to do the same thing. We're going to select it. Go to our toolbar and select the blue AI button. Bring out Napoleon. We're still on the same project, so we don't have to reset the chat. All right, again, we will expand this. All right, let's go ahead and make that points. All right, write 5 bullet points giving the advantages of the keto diet over traditional weight loss strategies, and strategies doesn't have 2 T's. There we go. All right, we're going to press go. And you see it gave us 5 bullet points. Now we could do what we did before and copy this, but this time we're going to go choose the send the app button. And boom, you see it puts it right there on our app. And so that's real convenient for bullet points. Let's get out of Napoleon. As I said, we're going to have to do something different for our image. Let's go ahead and save. Save early, save often. We can't hit the blue AI button there because it's not there for our image element. So what we need to do is go to the image URL. we're going to go look on the left side, and under our Discover section, we should see something that says Marketing.AI. Marketing.AI is the image editor part of the Napoleon AI. It's sort of a different tool, but it's all tied together, really. So let's go ahead and type something in our description. Now, one warning on this is only going to give you one image. Photographic image showing the kind of foods people can enjoy while using the keto diet. And you just want to press enter. It's going to take a little while. Your best bet on this is to go ahead and just get out of there and do something else for a minute or two. And then we should be able to come back into our image. Look in our AI generate image folder. And that's it right there. This is another one that was made with Marketing.AI as a test. So we could actually use either one, but we're going to go ahead and use the one we had. And there we have our picture. And all this text copy and all the copy we've used so far and the image are all generated by AI using the Napoleon AI tool and the Marketing AI tool, I guess, if you want to really split the difference there. So that's how you can fuse AI chat and AI image generator inside of the ClickFunnels editor without ever leaving. And produce copy and images all produced by AI completely within the ClickFunnels editor, so you don't have to leave and go to some other tool like ChatGPT and copy and paste onto a notepad and come back and copy and paste again. And so it's a very effective tool, very convenient. And that's pretty much the video for now. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, funnel building, marketing research, and the tools we used, like in this case, Napoleon AI and Marketing.AI, to do our work. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.